Now, your local on the 8s.
A tropical storm watch and a flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 78 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, more clouds than sun. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 84. Winds northeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, partly cloudy skies early will give way to occasional showers later during the night. Low 70. Winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. On Tuesday, partly cloudy skies during the morning hours will give way to occasional showers in the afternoon. High 84. Winds north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. And Tuesday night, windy with rain. Heavy at times. Low 73. Northeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, increasing to 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Locally heavy rainfall possible. The week ahead.